even Josh was like, bro, he's like, what are you doing? Just catch up.
Catch up.
And so you guys have heard this quote, and I'm going to butcher it, but show me the 5 people you spend the most time with, and I'll show you yourself. And I was going to put this on here, but if you, we've read a book, I don't remember what it was, but if you take the average income of the 5 people that you spend the most time with, and yours is within about 10% of those 5 people. And so for us, we want to surround ourselves with people that are ahead of us. And that's what we've done with War Plan Collective. We went out on a big limb and made a pretty significant financial investment to be a part of this mastermind. And it was the relationships.
Yeah.
And so
we don't know many people like them.
No, not. I mean, we have a very small handful of friends who are running after Jesus and after business and after fullness of life.
Yeah.
But it's a small handful of people that get us.
Yeah.
So surround yourself with those people.